Each year, new gadgets hit the market. Our world has become obsessed with upgrades. Our demand for new electronics resulted in a linear approach to technology. We take, we make, we use, and we dispose. But what happens to old devices when we're done with them? Discarded electronics become e-waste, resulting in the generation of tens of millions of tons of e-wastes each year. In developing countries, e-waste management provides livelihood for the informal sector. However, having no established safety and disposal protocols increases the risk of harm to the environment and public health. Despite interventions to improve the working conditions of the informal sector and increase e-waste managed in an environmentally sound manner, only less than a quarter is formally collected and recycled. Because of this, e-waste generation is now 5 times faster than formal collection and recycling globally since 2010. At this rate, recycling is projected to decline from less than a quarter to 20% and lead to losses amounting to $40 billion by 2030. Business as usual won't cut it. This calls for the real upgrade that we need: transform our linear approach and build it circular through the Global Electronics Management Program. The Global Electronics Management Program, or GEM, is an initiative funded by the Global Environment Facility and led by United Nations Industrial Development Organization in collaboration with the African Development Bank, the United Nations Development Program, and the United Nations Environment Program. GEM will run for 6 years, encompassing 9 projects across 16 countries, with the goal of significantly reducing e-waste and increasing the circularity of electronics in developing countries. To achieve this goal, the program focuses on 4 key components. Develop enabling policies for circular electronics at the national or city level, including regulations, policies, and incentive mechanisms. Promote cleaner production and sustainable consumption by designing products to last longer. Build a resource-efficient value chain with strategies to maximize reuse, repair, and recycling. Establish a knowledge management platform to raise awareness, support capacity building, and ensure compliance. GEM will focus on the ICT sector, which is responsible for an exponentially growing share of global e-waste, energy demand, and increased environmental impact. Simply increasing formal collection and recycling efforts won't be enough. We must take a comprehensive approach in managing e-wastes to achieve impactful changes. GEM will create long-term and transformative impact through different strategies and interventions across stages in the electronics value chain. Upstream includes inputs, design, and production. Midstream covers sales and use. Downstream focuses on collection, recovery, and reuse. These interventions also have a profound impact in job creation, facilitating the shift from informal to formal employment. Given the large share of women in the electronics workforce, GEM aims to ensure gender equity through gender-responsive actions. GEM is committed to aligning sustainability efforts with stakeholder initiatives for maximum impact. Imagine a world where all these streams follow a path to circularity. Suppliers and manufacturers collaborate to extend the life of electronics and lessen the use of toxic substances. Brands and retailers enhance after-sale services, encouraging repairs or trade-ins instead of disposal. Local governments establish policies and infrastructure for e-waste management to ensure recovery of valuable materials. If we make it circular first, everything stays in the loop and nothing goes to waste. Although some organizations and companies are already adopting circular practices, true transformation requires an upgrade across all streams. We must collectively shift from a linear path and build it circular for a sustainable world.